Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your collector profile private. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and make your collector profile private. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to your Collectr app. Next, click on Profile on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and scroll all the way down, and next to where it says Portfolio Sharing, you're going to see a toggle on and off button. So with this toggle on or off, it basically makes it so that you can share your portfolio. Go ahead and turn it off, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and make your collector profile private. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.